Hello and welcome back to UgosFX. This is gold trading strategy that I want to reveal to all of you, especially those of you guys that are trading your prop firm account. This strategy is what I use to get funded, trading gold only. This strategy is what I use before your very eye to get withdrawals, trading gold only. So if you pay attention to this video, it will guide you and help you, but you need to be disciplined for you to explore the potentials in this strategy. So let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is go to your higher time frame, especially your daily time frame, to identify the direction of the market. For example, gold, as you all know, has been trading bullish. You don't need someone to tell you that. So gold is trading bullish. Okay. So first thing is direction of the market. Now you have identified that the direction is bullish. The second part is your entry. Then the third part is your management of the trade. Okay, so the first part is identifying the direction of the market by looking at your higher time frame, your daily time frame, to see that the price is bullish. Okay, and for you to know that price is bullish on your daily time frame, you notice that price will be printing series of bullish candle, bullish engulf candle. You notice that price will be printing series of bullish candle. So when you're noticing this in on your daily time frame, you know that yes, the price is bullish. So this type of candle you'll be seeing on your daily time frame. So all you need to do now, after identifying your direction, you now move down to a lower time frame, preferably 5 minutes or 15 minutes, to look for what? Entry. Now, there are patterns that you will look out for before you take your entry on this 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So let's look at those patterns. There are two patterns that I normally use to trade gold. So this is the first pattern. So in your 5 minutes or 15 minutes, let's reach for example 5 minutes. But the thing is that you need to alter the time frame. You check 5 minutes, you check 15 minutes to know the one that will give you the best entry. Okay, so when you see your price action in this format, price will be moving up this way on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Price will be moving up this way. Okay, price will be moving up, and suddenly you notice that price has come down. Okay, you notice as price has come down, created this other block here, this zone, created a liquidity pool here, and price moves up. Now when price is coming back again, okay, many will use this place, many will use this place as entry, many will use this place as entry, thereby placing order here. Now you notice one thing, price will come out and take out all these orders here, take it out, take it out. After taking it out, watch out for a rejection candle here on that 5 minutes. Watch out for rejection candle here. Once you see that there's a rejection at this zone, watch out for another bullish engulf candle that will engulf that rejection candle that you notice on this zone. Okay. Once you notice this thing that's happened, all you need to do is just to pick your entry. Immediately the bullish engulf candle form, pick your entry at this zone. That's exactly what I explained here. Now, for you to get the best out of this thing, for you to get the best entry on this trading strategy, try to trade London section or New York section. Okay, so this is my entry confirmation number one on 15 minutes time frame. Now let's look at entry confirmation number two, the same on 5 minutes time frame. So entry confirmation number two is we are bullish and want to buy, and price created this scenario. Price created this scenario and move up. Okay, so when this price is moving up, check out the last green candle if it was a bullish engulf candle. If it was a bullish engulf candle, that's confluence number one. Okay, now wait, let price go up like this. Now, when price is coming back to test this other block, which is this bullish engulf candle, okay, this time around you are not waiting for price to take out the liquidity. You'll be waiting for another bullish engulf candle at this same zone, okay, at this same zone, okay. That is this green candle you are seeing here. Once you notice the second green candle has formed here, you pick up your buy and your stop loss is below this zone. Then you target this high that price created here. As it pleases you, as you have your risk appetite, you can increase the risk to risk reward. Okay, so basically this is how I take my trades on gold. This particular pattern, I only trade it at London key zone or New York key zone. This particular pattern, that's when I trade it. But this other one that I explained here, this first one, this liquidity grab, this one is liquidity grab entry pattern. This one, taking out all the liquidity here. This one I can take it pre-London or pre-New York section. If this one happen before the New York opening, I will take it. If it happen before the London opening, I will take it. So let's go to the rate chart. Let me show you the trade I took recently. That is today, being Friday. Let me show you this trade. So back to the chart. All right, this is good. This is good. Let's move down to 5 minutes time frame. All right. So this is 5 minutes time frame, and you see pretty how the movement was moving. On a 5 minutes time frame, was creating higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. You can see it, higher lows, okay, and boom, it created this zone, okay. Now, when it was coming down, some may even use this zone to take their buy, but I never did that. All I did is for what? Wait for price to come and take out this liquidity here. You can see immediately price take this liquidity here. Give me bullish engulf candle. That's when I pick up this buy. Okay. And this buy gave me over 290 pips. I'm out of this trade currently now. It gave me over 290 pips. Let me show you some. Let me show you some. So this is the liquidity grab here. This zone. Price has picked out all the liquidity. You can see rejection. Give you bullish engulf candle. Your entry is some. I hope I can see it. Okay, yeah. So this is when this price is forming. October 3rd. So this is it. This is when I took this price here. I drop it in my signal in my telegram group. This is when I took this signal here, the thread here. Okay, and you can see it here. I enter at 38.60. At this point it was 38.74. That one it was about 174 pips. And you can see it. I enter at 38.60, 38.82. Okay, let me show you some. And this is exactly when I leave the price, when I leave the market. 38.60, 38.89, 290 pips. So this is basically how I take my entry on gold without any stress. So this thing require you being disciplined, being patient. You need to wait for all these things to happen. You need to wait for this price action to take place. So if you like what I've taught you so far, kindly subscribe to my channel, because I'll be updating you guys as I'm trading this account. I'll be updating you guys, showing you my interest, showing you when I leave the market and other things. If you have question, drop it in the comment section. If there's anything that you didn't get properly, drop it in the comment section. I will respond to you guys. Cheers.